Hi students, how are you all? Hope you are doing good. We all know due to the current pandemic situation, the ICSE Council has decided to reduce the syllabus for grade 9. Okay, so in this particular video, I'm going to talk about the reductions in the grade 9 ICSE physics syllabus. So whatever part has been removed and whatever part has been kept. If at all the video henceforth will be in the form of a kind of a PPT format where I'll be discussing the changes. If at all you feel that the video is too long, you all can forward the video as per your convenience and you all can check out the same. Okay, so let's quickly begin with the video. Thank you. Okay, so let's quickly begin with the grade 9 ICSE physics syllabus comparison. So as far as the first chapter is concerned, measurement and experimentation, the A part would be there as it is. So over here we would be focusing more on conversion of units and all the different conversions. Most importantly, angstrom unit, nanometer, 10 raised to minus 6 to 10 raised to minus 10 and all those kind of conversions we would be focusing of more importance. Definitely all those difficult kind of definitions which were a little bit of difficult language, all those things are not there, like the definition of what is meter, definition of 1 kilogram and all those things will not be there. Then you'll have to see the guidelines, then the different derived units and all those things. So that all A part is definitely there. Now in the B part, if you all can see, measurement of length. Okay, so primarily there were two major important topics in that. First one was measurement of length using the vernier caliper, and then measurement of diameter and all such things with the help of screw gauge. Okay, so this entire B part has been completely removed from this particular chapter. Then we have the C part, that is pendulum, measurement of time period of a pendulum and all those numericals. They all are definitely the C part is completely there. Okay, so then let us go ahead over here. Yeah, so measurements, this we all see, we all saw this part is deleted. Then let's now come to the second part, second chapter, sorry, motion in one dimension. I request you all, dears, if you all can keep your textbook with you, it would be really very helpful. I will tell you this thing, like suppose in the first part, in the first chapter, measurement and experimentation, 1.8 to 1.13, that completely has been removed. You all can just strike it off, and you all can note the numbers also, the topic number basically. Okay, then I come to the second chapter, motion in one dimension. So in this, again, the first A part entirely, those different quantities and all the numericals and everything related to that will be definitely be there. Then in the B part, that is the graphical representation, um, until last year, you had only these two topics, DT graph and VT graph. AT graph was any which ways removed right from the beginning. So even for this year's revised syllabus, that part is also, means I can say that the entire B part has been removed. That is 2.6 and 2.8 from the Selena textbook, which is completely has been removed. Okay, then C part, equations of motion. So you will not be asked for deriving the kinematical equations, but of course you should know how the equations have been derived. So just go through the derivation, and of course your school teacher will also teach you how the equations are being derived. Only thing is how to for the derivation, the exact how to derive equal step by step, that will not be asked. So you need to know the three equations, the three different kinematical equations, and in which there are two special cases. One is when the body starts from rest, that is u is equals to 0, and when the body is moving with uniform retardation, that's when the equations change a little bit with sign and all. Then again the numericals related to that, that entire part will be there. Then let's go ahead to the third chapter, laws of motion. Laws of motion, entire chapter is there as it is. There is no any revisions in that, so you all have to study that particular chapter completely. Then let's come to the next chapter, that is fluids. So in fluids, the first fluids is actually the main topic. It is chapter number 4, pressure in fluids and atmospheric pressure. So again here also in fluids, I hope you all are aware the 4.8 directly come those examples of hydraulic machines. All those part has been completely removed from this. So okay, in this particular document that change is not reflected, so you all can just note it down. Example 4.8, 4.8 is completely removed, but obviously the numericals and everything, f1 upon a1 is equal to f2 upon a2, all these things definitely will be there. And in the B part, I hope you all are aware, this was long back told, barometer जो है measurement of atmospheric pressure by different barometers, like that simple barometer from 4.12, okay, from 4.12 entire 4.12 is removed. Okay, so it goes till your advantages of barometer, then demerits of simple barometer, aneroid barometer, ये सारा चीज deleted है. Then you have the from 4.13 again, it is altimeter at variation of atmospheric pressure with altitude. All that part is definitely there. Numericals related to it are definitely there. Okay, then we come to the Archimedes principle. This again entire chapter as of now completely it is there. There is no any revision. So relative density and all, they are very important formulae that you all should know. Then flotation and all, then again applications, and there are some numericals that is very much there, dears. So there is no change in this particular chapter. Then let's come to the so this is all we have already covered. Yeah, then we have come to the heat and energy. In this particular chapter, again, a part wherein we learn about thermal expansion, anomalous expansion, the applications related to the anomalous expansion, that all is there. And if you see the B part, that was all basically all environmental studies. Okay, so energy resources, this conversion, over sub B part is entirely deleted. C part is again entirely deleted, that production of hydroelectricity and all that part. But in the D part, if you all can come, dears, if you all see over here, see those all thermodynamics and all these part is deleted, but global warming and greenhouse effect, scientific definitions of the above. So ये greenhouse effect का वगैरह वो जो detailed discussion वहां पे है, वो how it happens and all those part will be not there. But we need to understand, I'm sorry, we need to understand the definitions of the same. Okay, causes and all of global warming and all those things will not be again as such of very will not be asked. Yeah, so for that particular chapter, you all can note down 6.7 to 6.17 has been completely removed. Okay, for this particular heat energy chapter. And this though we already spoke, this causes impact of life on earth, ये सारा चीजें को part को delete निकाल दिया है. Okay, so now then we come to the chapter. Let's go ahead, dears, in this PPT also. Yeah, so this we have already discussed. Yeah, light chapter, A part, there is no any changes over here. Then A part numerical, B part images formed in the pair of mirrors, that was in that theta is equals to there were these numericals on the formula n is equal to 360 degree upon theta. So the numericals on these particular formulae were never there. Even in the last year till syllabus में भी ये नहीं था. So no one will ask you how to find out the number of images, but the positioning of the images can be asked. तो ये आप अच्छे से समझ लेना, dears. Then let's come to the C part, spherical mirrors. So there was a derivation. So the starting part of that, all those 6 cases, all that part is definitely there from 7.22. Okay, 7.22, 7.23 and 7.24. That particular, these 3 parts have been removed from this. So the sign convention, and then there was this one derivation, F is equals to R by 2. So this derivation has been removed, sign convention has been removed. So all the numericals that were related to 1 upon, that was nothing but our mirror formula, 1 upon F is 1 upon V plus 1 upon U. and I upon O is equals to minus V upon U, which is also called as the magnification formula, that has been removed from this. But uses of spherical mirror, that is 7.25, all that part will be definitely be there for the light chapter. Let us come to the sound chapter now. Let's go ahead. Sound chapter as such, there is no any deletions. The sound chapter entirely it is there. Okay, a very simple chapter basically. Then let's come to the last unit, that is nothing but electricity and magnetism. So in this again, current electricity, the chapter number 9, that entire part is there. There is no deletions as such. Okay, so we will have to study this chapter entirely. And in the 10th chapter, that is magnetism, okay, here you all can see here the electromagnet. Okay, the B part of the chapter number 10 has been completely removed. Okay, actually it was very simple. B part of the electromagnet and its uses, introduction of the electromagnet and its uses, that has been removed. So I hope you all understood. With this we cover the entire grade 9 ICSE physics. Okay. Yes, I would like to thank Kiran Kaka sir of BSS Mahim School. He has shared this PPT with us, and he has been very kind enough to help us by making this PPT. I thank him sincerely from the bottom of my heart. And yeah, thank you all for watching this video till the end. And if you all still have any doubts on any particular topic which you have not understood, on what particular, you all can put it in the comment section. If you have liked this video, do like, comment and share and subscribe to my channel if you are new on this particular channel. Thank you so much.